Hello there.
So, this is my first devlog for the new game I've been working on while Chrome Core Online is on hold. In short, it's essentially a simple RPG game. I've already used a simple tile landscape, which I have borrowed, temporarily of course, from a World Machine tutorial video. If the creator of that video is watching this, I promise you I'm not planning on stealing your landscape. I'm just using it during the development stage since World Machine is way too overpriced. Anyway, I looked at a bunch of YouTube tutorials to set up a landscape material, while also removing all kind of tiling problems, as well as to set up procedural foliage, which worked out pretty well. I also set up some foliage types so that I can just generate trees and a few different types of rocks all over the map. There's only one problem, which is just that all the trees are the exact same mesh, but I can just change that later. As of now, the game has some very, and I mean very basic AI, although it does work alright for now. Anyway, I set up weapons using a parent weapon class. Each weapon has its own attributes like its name, damage, and description. After that, I set up a basic armor system with a similar setup to the weapons, which worked out pretty well. I also made a basic inventory system using a uniform grid panel which lists all the items. And I thought it was cool to give the items rarity, so I created an enumeration for that and assigned it as a variable to the weapon and armor parents. So now I'm able to organize the inventory based on the rarity of each item. Oh yeah, and I decided to make each piece of armor a separate class just so that it makes my looting system a bit better, which I will explain in the next video. Now that the inventory is functional, I decided to add a few more weapons.